Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's the day after Christmas. We're supposed to be on a trip, me and my family, and the truck had other plans. So last night I went to try to start it and the batteries died. So let's go now and see if we can get these replaced. They're 2-year-old, not even 2-year-old batteries from Napa, and they just gave out. So let's see if we can get them replaced under warranty. The Napa location closest to me did not have it. They only had one in stock. So we're heading to another location that supposedly has more. So the story continues. I'll pick up with you guys once I get the new batteries. On a side note, I don't think it's ever been this cold in Miami on Christmas. So the battery saga continues. Went to the other location that had more batteries. So what? Now they only want to replace one. Well, they did replace one. And to top it off, cherry on top, they wanted to charge for it. Well, they did charge for it. $60 for a battery that is less than 2 years old and supposedly 3-year free replacement, and they charged me $60 because the price of the battery changed. Now explain to me, Napa, how is that my fault? How is that my problem? You offered a warranty and now you have to honor it. And let's see how it goes. Might be the last battery I buy from Napa, but never say never. So let's see how long this one lasts, and let's see if the other one gives out, since they only wanted to replace one. I'll let you guys know and I'll keep you updated throughout the trip. By the way, these are the batteries in question. Napa Legend AGM batteries. Day code 1120, 1122. This is a new one. So let's see how it goes. All right, boys, moment of truth. Let's see what we got here. Let's see if it starts. Like new. Let's hit the road. All right, so update time. We left Miami early this morning. We made it to Alabama right now. It's around 11 p.m. Central Time. The truck is working fine. It's 30-something degrees. It's freezing for a Miami boy like me, but let's see in the morning if the old girl wants to start up. So I'll catch you then. Good morning, guys. It's day 2 of our trip. We're in Oxford, Alabama, and it's a nice 30 degrees. Let's see if the truck wants to start. Starts like brand new. Degrees. All right, let's hit the road to our final destination. Good morning. This is day 3. We made it to our destination, and the truck is it's here and it's working fine. So let me give you the cold start that everybody wanted. Well, I don't know if you wanted it, but I'm gonna give it to you anyways. So with that, I'm gonna end off the video here. I'm gonna spend some time with my family, take advantage of this trip, and I'll catch you again on the next video, and more things to come in 2023. Like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next one.